I've interviewed over 20 event professionals, and I've finally found the way to automatically generate a run of show document for your events. I'm Patrick, and I'm the founder of Univium, a business automation development company specifically for event companies. And I was looking to try and find the best way to generate a run of show document for events. And after speaking to, again, 20 different people, I discovered that we needed to make our own software to kind of generate this type of document because there's a lot of nuances and intricacies to this document generation, and there wasn't really a good platform out there. A lot of people are just doing it in Excel, but it doesn't offer the dynamic benefits of actually having a software slash app to do it. And so what I use is our software that we've built over the past year called EventaGreat, and I'm going to share my screen and show that with you real quick. And now EventaGreat lets you do a lot of things. It has a lot of different integrations and whatnot that are helpful. But one of the oh, look at that! I bet I need to sign in again. One of the main benefits of it, though, is the event planning functionality of it, where you can plan out your segments, where you can plan out your day and assign tasks and all of that sort of stuff. Here's all the integrations with EventaGreat. It's a really great platform. But this is the event I'm planning currently, our quarterly entrepreneurs summit that I put on for entrepreneurs local in Dallas, Texas. And so you can see we have all of our segments here that have been planned out. And on each segment, you can come through and you can assign a speaker, you can assign tasks, you can assign the task to specific vendors or people on your event team. And then you can assign vendors, breakout sessions, all sorts of good stuff. You can actually come in here and generate breakout sessions and whatnot for your guest list, that type of thing. And ultimately, it gives you a way to dynamically configure and structure your event. And then when all is said and done, you just have this really simple print button here, which automatically generates a run of show document with all of your details and whatnot. And where this gets more beneficial than using something like Excel is you can view it in different ways. And what I mean by that is, let me go ahead and click the print and we can scroll through on here. Is not only do we have a schedule overview, but we also have individual pages for, the details of that particular segment. So throughout your day, you after a given segment, you flip a page over and you're on your next page. And it's good to have a paper document with you whenever you are running an event because you're going to be all over the place. Your phone might die. That's one of the big things that I realized when talking to event companies is that you kind of have to be on your feet, which is why it's good to have a printable document, which is why we made this printable functionality and whatnot. And so here you can see like this is our breakout group session. You can see our tasks and who they're assigned to, and then you can see the actual individual breakout groups and who's going to be in which group. Here you can see, who's the caterer for the lunch session and whatnot. But in addition to that, you have your entire event team, your speakers, all their contact information, all the contact information for your vendors. You have your guest list, again, breakout sessions as well. And then here's where it gets interesting is you can actually have your specific schedules for specific people because everyone's schedule is going to look different. So you can hand out these schedules to your team and they can kind of just know, hey, there's a lot of stuff going on today, but here's the key stuff that just I have to do that no one else has to do. So this is what I need to focus on is, make sure that I'm opening up with the 5-minute framing at this time, that type of thing. And then you have your master contact sheet, of course, with your contact information for absolutely everyone. Um, and so, yeah, I would say this is just a really good tool, a really good platform to not only design your event and configure and create your event, but also to be able to print it out in a easily formatted document that you can have on the day of. And so if you want to use this yourself, just go to EventaGreat.com and you can sign up for a free trial. And if you need any help with configuring this or setting up automations for your own event company, please reach out to me via Univium.com and I would be happy to help. Thank you very much and take care.